I have to teach one more chapter, that is chemical kinetics in physical chemistry. Chemical kinetics means it is the study of the rate of a reaction, the factors affecting the rate of a reaction, and the mechanism involved in it. We can see the three different type of chemical reaction. First one is very fast reaction. For example, magnesium ribbon igniting in the flame. So magnesium combine with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This reaction is an example for very fast reaction. The very fast reaction means the reaction taking place in very small time, that means 10 to the power of minus 12, that is picosecond. Second one is slow reaction. Example, rusting of the iron. Third type means the reaction which is taking place in moderate speed. Example, ethyl acetate combined with sodium hydroxide to give sodium acetate and ethanol. In this chapter, we are discussing only the reaction which is taking place in moderate speed. Next is the factors which is affecting the rate of a reaction. There are many factors which affect the rate of a reaction. First one, nature of the reactant, whether it is solid, liquid or gas. Second one, reactant concentration. As the reaction concentration increases, the rate of the reaction is also increases. Third one, temperature, pressure, catalyst, inhibitors, intensity of the radiation, presence of ultraviolet and nature of the solvent. Next topic is the rate of a reaction is very important. Rate of a reaction means the speed of a chemical reaction. Usually the rate of a reaction is monitored by measuring the concentration of either the reactant or the product. So as the reaction proceeds, the concentration of the reactant decreases or the concentration of the product increases. Usually the rate of a reaction is expressed by change in concentration per unit time. The rate of a reaction is monitored by different method, by measuring the mass or the change in color of the reactant or product or conductivity of the reactant, and other parameters also we can measure. So the rate of a reaction is expressed by R. R is equal to delta C divided by dt. That means change in delta C means change in concentration. Delta T means per a particular interval of the time. The unit of a rate of a reaction is very important. Unit is equal to mole liter inverse second inverse. We can easily find out the unit by, you have to only study the equation. Rate of a reaction means R is equal to delta C by delta T. The unit of the concentration is mole per liter divided by T. The unit of time is second. So the unit of the rate of a reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse.